off on the mooch. We're going, follow the tree line all the way down to, there's it, that hill between them trees. We're going down there. Right, I'll look at the lake before we go. Not a ripple on that water.
You might get a bit of rain tonight, kids.
Oh, hey up, Beryl. Beautiful spot, look at that.
No, it's going to be about 10ish, I reckon. So from here, you can do between 9 and 10, looking at it. Have a look at what the weather was. I'm better than what the weather might say, trust me, ask him. No, I predict it well, but... Where are we going?
Little duckies. There's your mum. Go and have a look. The ducks everywhere. Fucking hundreds of them. Right, calm down, lads, calm down. Didn't mean to kick off. Out! That one chilling. Size of Max then. My dog would go absolutely nuts if he was here now. Shame we couldn't bring him too hot. Can't bring him camping in this weather. Oh, I can hear something. I can hear music. We might be rolling on something here. This hill's a killer. Absolute killer. What's this? What have we rolled up on here? What time that's on till? Look at that. We're in Chapel-en-le-frith. Just been mozzers. Get me tea for tonight. Lovely weather. I'll sit down here for the 5 minutes, chill out. Hello. Now we're going to have a walk up that hill. Carry on.
seen us.
Brr. We're doing following it round.
I don't see the point, 'cause I think it's just
Just climb this little hill. It took us 5 minutes. I'm right down there. A bit shaky. That's my tent, right in that corner. Gonna have a walk around that lake later on. I'm gonna go that way around it. Going for a quick mooch. Up here. I don't know where I'm going. I know where I'm not going. Up that effing hill. Too late for that. I think there's a shop up here. I'm not sure. We'll have a look. Look at that. Yeah, if we can get in. It might be a bit bright. I mean, lovely sunset. Alright, calm down, lad. Doing another night. There's literally no one here. Everyone in the whole side gone. Look at that. Every field empty. I mean, oh, there's a car. I thought they're leaving. Steak for tonight. With them juices. There. Literally. No one else is here. My fucking land. Not a cloud in the sky. I'm gonna have a mooch. I don't know if you can see it. Down that valley in a bit. We're gonna end up on there. It's going to be a lovely sunset tonight. We're not peeking through there. Do another 5 minutes, I'll do another video from over there. Should set about there. Actually, no, it's going to go down.